We'll guide you through how to turn on or off the flashlight on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So it's really convenient having the flashlight on your phone because you can then easily go and light up a dark area to go and look for something perhaps, or just to go and see what something is. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Perhaps right now it's on and you're unsure of how you can turn it off, or you want to go and turn it on and then you want to turn it off again later. We're going to guide you through how this is done. We're going to guide you through some different methods as well, so make sure you watch this full guide. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So for the first way, which is one of my preferred ways, it's sort of the most go-to, is what we need to do is you need to come to the top and you can go and drag down like so. Now, what you want to do is go and drag down again. Then you're going to go and see this panel here. So you can go and look in here and go and see if you go and have a torch or flashlight looking icon. And at the same time, you may go and see it at the top here. So you can quickly check here before swiping down, or you can just swipe back, it doesn't matter. And you want to go and look for a torch or flashlight icon. So in this case, mine isn't there. So don't worry, because we can go and add it. What you need to do is come to the top right and find the pen or pencil icon. And you can go and add it to the top or full, depending where you want it. So let's go and say I want to go and add it to the top because I just find that the easiest to access. We could add it to both though. Press edit. So you need to go and remove one of these at the top, as you need 6 buttons and there's a max and a minimum of 6. So I'll remove the screenshot icon and press torch, and I'll then add it back, and you can go and press done at the bottom. Then we can come and press edit under full, and we can go and add it here as well. So at the bottom, we can go and press torch, and that'll then go and add it there as well. Press done. You can swipe down again, and you'll go and see the torch is there. And when you go and tap it, it'll turn it on. And if you want to go and turn it off again, you tap it like that. And if we go and swipe down, you'll go and find torch in here as well, and you can tap to turn it on and off. Another way you can go and do it is by using a third-party app. So you can go and find the Play Store on your device and open it up. You can come to the bottom and you can go and tap search, and you can press the search bar at the top, and you can go and type in search and search for it. And you can then go and see these different options. So there are lots of different flashlight apps out there, and ultimately they are quite similar. So you can see I've got a couple here. I've got this one we could go and tap on and press open. Just go and wait for it to go and load. And here it is. You can go and see here that it's on. To go and change it, you can go and tap it, and I look and it's on. But I could go and turn it off by tapping that there. So that's how you can go and use a third-party app. And now for the next way, we can actually go and use the assistant on your device. This can be Google Gemini or Google Assistant. So you can go and say, hey Google, turn on the flashlight. And as you can see, it then goes and turns on. And it's going to go and give you this pop-up, and you actually go and have a switch here, which you could go and turn off or on. We can then go and do it again. Turn off. Hey Google, turn off flashlight. And as you can see, it then goes and turns off. So using the Google Gemini or Google Assistant is really convenient to go and quickly do it. So that's it.